Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee ganache for cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of your favorite chocolate, 100 milliliters of rich heavy cream, and 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Choosing good quality chocolate is key for a delicious ganache, so don't skimp there. Also, ensure your heavy cream has at least 35% fat for that perfect, creamy consistency. This easy method will give you fantastic results every time. Now, let's move on to melting our ingredients. Gently heat your 100 milliliters of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer around the edges. We don't want it to boil. Once simmering, immediately pour the hot cream over your finely chopped chocolate and instant coffee in a heat-proof bowl. This crucial step allows the heat to slowly melt the chocolate. Let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. After the 5-minute rest, it's time to create that beautiful, smooth ganache. Start stirring the mixture gently from the center of the bowl, slowly expanding your circles outwards. Continue stirring until the chocolate and cream are fully combined, creating a glossy, uniform ganache without any lumps. If you find a few stubborn pieces, a quick, gentle warming over a double boiler for a few seconds can help achieve that perfect, silky texture. Finally, let's talk about cooling and using your magnificent coffee ganache. Allow it to cool at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. It will thicken beautifully as it cools. If you desire a firmer consistency, you can refrigerate it for about 1 hour, remembering to stir it occasionally to maintain its smoothness. Once cooled to your desired thickness, spread this rich, flavorful ganache evenly over your cake layers or create an elegant drip effect. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.